नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay. Have you read the lesson? Have you read the lesson till 5th page? Have you understood? Okay, my dear kids, we will continue the lesson. Take page number 6. Page number 6. Take one pencil. And what is the date today? Write the date on the up of it. Today's date is 9/10/2020 and today is Thursday, Friday, isn't it? Friday. So Shukrawar. Write that there. So I am going to read. Please listen carefully, my dear kids. What is happening? What we learned in the previous class is Sunny Kumar having Sunny Kumar's house. One dog has given delivered baby, and he was going to his father's bank to buy one bottle for that brownie. After that, what happening there on, he is meeting one person, and he is telling about that baby born in his house, but that man is misunderstanding like his house another like human being, like Sunny Kumar's brother or sister has born, like that he misunderstood, and he is telling that I will come to meet that baby, like that. So they are waiting to welcome this person. That is only happening here. See, that time when Sunny Kumar was seeing that uncle was coming, by here seeing that दीदी दीदी मैंने दीदी का हाथ पकड़ कर कहा, वह देखो अंकल हाथ में फूल लेकर आ रहे हैं. दीदी 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 मीन्स सिस्टर. सिस्टर सी, मैंने दीदी का हाथ पकड़ कर कहा, आई वॉज कैचिंग माई सिस्टर्स हैंड एंड टेलिंग दीदी सिस्टर सी दैट, वह देखो दे लुक देयर, अंकल हाथ में फूल लेकर आ रहे हैं. अंकल वॉज कीपिंग flower in his hand and coming. Fool means flower. Uncle was keeping flower in his hand and coming. And he is catching his sister's hand and telling this one. हम लोग छत से अंदर भागे. Then both of them they went inside suddenly. By seeing him, they ran inside. छत से अंदर भागे means suddenly ran inside. They went inside. Why they went inside? They want to say to their parents or his mother, like that. So माँ को खबर दी कि अंकल आ रहे हैं. They went to his mother and telling that uncle is coming. माँ को खबर दी. खबर means news. माँ को खबर दी कि अंकल आ रहे हैं, uncle is coming, like that news they have said. माँ मिठाई प्लेट में डालकर, when what she was doing, she was keeping the mithai inside on the plate. He was what mithai on mithai he asked na kalakand, that mithai he is asking, that mithai he was asking, isn't it? So they brought and kept. So this mother is keeping that mithai on the plate and telling to Ramu Kaka. Ramu Kaka is a servant. Ramu Kaka is the servant, those who is working there. That Ramu Kaka se kahne lagi. Ramu Kaka, she was keeping that sweet on the plate and telling to Ramu Kaka, जब आवाज़ लगाऊं तो ट्रे में यह मिठाई की प्लेट और साथ में पानी ले आना. Then she is telling to that Ramu Kaka that when I will make sound, like I will call, you have to take this tray and also water also you have to take and come, like that she is telling to that man. Then दीदी जल्दी से ब्राउनी को कपड़े में लपेट लो, मैंने तौलिया दमाते हुए कहा. दीदी sister, he is telling to his sister, दीदी जल्दी से फास्टली ब्राउनी को कपड़े में लपेट लो. लपेटना, कपड़े में लपेट लो. लपेट means fold. He is telling to his sister that you fold a brownie with the one dress, like that. मैंने तौलिया दमाते हुए, he was keeping, तौलिया means towel. He was showing on towel and telling to his sister that you cover the brownie with this towel, like that he is telling. इतने में बाहर की घंटी बजी. That time outside bell was ringing. ड्रिंग ड्रिंग और मैं एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन की तरफ दरवाजे की ओर भागा. ही केम वेरी फास्टली, सो दैट दे आर एक्सप्लेन लाइक ही केम लाइक ए एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन. मुझे देखते ही अंकल की चेहरे पर एक लंबी चौड़ी मुस्कान खिंच गई. बाय सीइंग सनी कुमार इटसेल्फ, अंकल्स फेस वॉज स्माइलिंग बिकॉज ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. बाय मुझे देखते ही, बाय सीइंग मी इटसेल्फ, अंकल के चेहरे पर एक लंबी चौड़ी मुस्कान खिंच गई. ही वॉज स्माइलिंग बाय सीइंग सनी कुमार, ही वॉज स्माइलिंग. मैंने अपने होंठों की हंसी को दबाते हुए कहा, अंदर आइए अंकल. He was keeping his smile inside because he was thinking like this man is coming to see his brother or sister like that. So he was keeping his smile inside and telling, "Andar aiye uncle, uncle please come inside." Like that. Andar aiye means come in, please come inside. With respect, when we are saying andar aiye means please come inside. To elders we have to tell aiye only. Okay. Then take next page, my dear. हाँ हाँ ज़रूर. ओके ओके श्योर लाइक दैट. ज़रूर मीन श्योर. ज़रूर कहते हुए लंबे डग फरकर वह अंकल हमारे ड्राइंग रूम में विराजमान हुए. बाय सेइंग दैट ओके ओके श्योर लाइक दैट ही वॉज टेलिंग एंड ही वॉज स्टेपिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड ही वॉज सिटिंग ऑन देयर ड्राइंग रूम. माँ जैसे ही कमरे के अंदर आई, देन व्हेन हिज मदर वॉज कमिंग, वैसे ही अंकल चटके से उड़े और दोनों हाथ बड़ी विनम्रता से जोड़कर बोले, माँ जैसे ही कमरे के अंदर आई. When as soon as his mother came inside, what happened? This uncle suddenly stood up and he was joining his hand and telling very kindly. He is telling what he is telling. Aye Babiji, come, please come, Babiji, sister, baithe, sit there, because he thought that she delivered baby, isn't it? So by kindly he is joining his hand and telling to Sunny Kumar's mother, आइए बाबीजी बैठिए. Oh, please come sister, come here and sit here. Like that he is telling. आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक, to you for many wishes for you. Like that he is congratulating her. राणा साहब तो छुपे रस्तम निकले. इस हमें कुछ बताई ही नहीं. राणा साहिब, his father, Sunny Kumar's father, didn't say anything to me. Like that he is telling. यह तो भला हो हमारे छोटे सन्नी बेटा का. बाई बिकॉज ऑफ सन्नी कुमार ओनली आई केम टू नो दैट. लाइक दैट ही वॉज टेलिंग टू हिज मदर. देन मगर भाई साहब, दैट टाइम हिज मदर वॉज trying to tell about that she want to clear the doubt. Like that. So मगर भाई साहब, but like that she is starting मगर, but माँ ने उन्हें समझाना चाहा. Mother wished to make him to understand that is not my baby, that is on dog's baby. Like that she want to understand. But what happening? अगर मगर कुछ नहीं, but and if and all nothing. You don't want to say but, if and all. अंकल ने बात काटते हुए, he was cutting the word and telling, you don't want to say if, but and all. Then अब बच्चे को ले ही आइए. टेक द बेबी एंड कम प्लीज. लाइक दैट ही इज टेलिंग. डोंट वांट टू से इफ एंड बट, यू टेक योर बेबी एंड कम, आई वांट टू सी. लाइक दैट ही इज टेलिंग. आप मेरी बात तो सुनिए. देन इवन हिज मदर इज टेलिंग, यू प्लीज हियर माई वर्ड्स. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल. लाइक दैट यू प्लीज हियर माई वर्ड्स. माँ ने उन्हें फिर समझाने की चेष्टा की. she took effort to make him understand, but what he was not able to understand. Effort, चेष्टा, effort. She took effort to make him understand, but he didn't allow her to talk anything. बात अब देखने के बाद ही सुनूंगा, वे बोले. व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग? आफ्टर सीइंग ओनली हियर आफ्टर आई विल टॉक टू यू. लाइक दैट ही इज टेलिंग, आई वॉन्ट टू सी द बेबी. देन दीदी ने ब्राउनी को इतनी अच्छी तरफ लपेटा हुआ था कि सिर्फ ज़रा सा मुँह दिखाई दे रहा था. दीदी, his sister was covering the folding the brownie like a small baby and only face was coming inside. So he couldn't find out that is a baby of dog. So like that sister was covering that. दीदी के साथ मैं भी उत्सुकतावश अंदर चला गया. With the his sister, he also came inside. हमें देखते ही अंकल हो करके दांत निपोरने लगी. By here seeing that they are coming with the baby, this uncle became so happy. हो like that he is making sound. जेब से 10 के करारे नोट निकाल कर हिलाए. जेब पॉकेट, पॉकेट फ्रॉम पॉकेट, जेब, जेब पॉकेट. फ्रॉम जेब से 10 के करारे नोट निकाल कर हिलाए और बच्चे को देने के लिए हाथ आगे बढ़ाया. देन आफ्टर दैट ही वॉज टेकिंग 10 rupees notes, more 10 rupees notes from his pocket, and he is trying to give that to baby. Somebody will give like that now, by seeing some baby and all, they will give notes, money to them like that. So he is also taking money from his pocket and he is trying to give to him, that baby. आओ कम like that he is telling. कहकर उन्होंने ब्राउनी को गोद में ले लिया. saying that come like that he was carrying that brownie. पकड़ ढीली होने से ब्राउनी ने हाथ पैर कुल बुलाने शुरू कर दिए और पूरा तौलिया उतर गया. What happened? पकड़ ढीली होने से, ढीली means when that Sunny Kumar's sister was keeping, it was very tight. When he was keeping, it became loose, so that brownie felt like the change of touching. So after, because of that, he was making his hand and leg and all like that, something shaking like something. And what happening? That full towel was opened. Full towel opened. हाँ, ये बच्चा तो कुत्ता का है. Then he was telling, hey, it is the baby of a dog. कहते ही उन्होंने छटके से उसे छोड़ दिया. By saying that what happened? He kept the dog. He left the bird. He left the dog because by seeing that it is a baby of dog, he felt very scared, and what happened? He left the brownie that like that itself, so that baby fall down. Brownie काव करने लगा. What happened? That baby was making sound. उसकी आवाज़ सुनकर रौनी फागी आई. By hearing his baby's sound, Roni was running and coming because it is crying, isn't it? So hearing that his mother is coming by shouting, Roni फागी और he लगी फौकने लगी, फौ भो like that he was making sound because her son or like the brownie is crying. So this Roni ran and came and he was shouting, he was barking. अरे बाप रे बाप. अंकल घबरा कर अपनी जगह से उछल पड़े और हम सब और से खिलाकर हंस पड़े. अंकल he felt very scared. Oh, like that he was doing, and he was jumping here and there by seeing that everyone were laughing, because now only he knows that it is the baby of Brownie, isn't it? It is the baby of Ronnie. So he felt very scared and he was running here and there by seeing that everyone laughed. अंकल हिसियानी हंसी हंसाते हुए कभी नजर अपने नोटों पर डालते और फिर रोनी पर. हिसियानी means shame. He was in very shame, isn't it? Because he only misunderstood that is a baby of his mother. So he felt very shame, and he was also smiling, and he was looking to the notes. He is having rupees, isn't it? He is having money with him. So he is looking to that money and also looking to Rownie. Babi ji, then take next page, my dear. भाभी जी, आपने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? उन्होंने खिसियाते हुए कहा. Then even he was in shame and asking to his mother, why sister, why you didn't say to me before, like that he is asking. मैंने कितनी बार तो बताना चाहा, मगर आप हर बार मेरी बात काट देते. How many times I tried to tell to you, but every time you are cutting my words. You are cutting my words. You are not allowing me to tell. माँ ने धीरज बांधते को यहाँ she took courage and she was telling that how many times I was trying to tell you, but you only didn't hear, like that. यह भी तो बच्चा ही है. This also is a baby, isn't it? और हमारी राउनी का है. It is a baby of our Rownie, like that they are telling. मैंने आगे बढ़कर कहा, हे ना अंकल, कितना सुंदर पूरे रंग का. Then Sunny Kumar also coming forward and telling, isn't it, this is very nice, isn't it uncle? It is, see, you are seeing now, that is very brown color, it is also very nice, isn't it uncle? Like that he is telling. हंसी का फव्वारा कमरे पर फूट पड़ा. Everyone were laughed and it was filled with a laugh. इससे पहले कि कोई और कुछ कहता, मैंने रामू से प्लेट लेकर उनके आगे कर दी. What is happening in between? I don't want to say anything else, so he went to Ramu Kaka and took that plate and came, and that plate he gave to that uncle. Uncle ने हंसते हुए मुझे एक झपट लगाई. Then after that what happened? Uncle was laughing and give me one slap. Give me one slap nicely and telling that, तो यह सब आपकी मिली फकत है. दिस एवरीथिंग यूर प्ले ओनली, isn't it? Like that he was asking. कोई बात नहीं कहते हुए उन्होंने फिर मिठाई की पूरी प्लेट हाथ में पकड़कर मिठाई का टुकड़ा गप से मुँह में डाला और बोला. he was telling no problem, like that, this everything you only did, isn't it? Like that telling, and okay, no problem, like that telling, and he was taking that sweet box and everything he was eating full mouth and telling, इसका ही मुझे बड़ी देर से इंतज़ार था. For this only I was waiting for more time. Like that he was telling and laughing. This much only, my dear kids, that lesson we finished somewhat. We finished one lesson. So this is a big lesson, isn't it? So this is already too late. It's a funny story, so we finished very earlier. So if you have any doubt or anything in any place, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting, my dear kids. In that Zoom interaction meeting we are keeping for clearing the doubts. Please give importance for that and come and ask him doubts and all. Okay, clear the doubts. Then this is already too late, so we are going to skip some lessons. We will take hereafter we will take only small lessons. Okay, it is easy for you to learn also. So if anything doubt or anything is there, means you can ask me or text me in my personal number also. Okay, my dear kids, धन्यवाद बच्चों.